What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is still trading at about $62,509. So Bitcoin is still steadily price increasing. Over the past few days, Bitcoin has been trading sort of in this descending pattern like candle. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 3 touch points. As you can see on the top trend line, on that last touch point, Bitcoin has broken out of that top trend line. We could continue to keep increasing in price, potentially going parabolic. It just depends on the macro events pertaining to Bitcoin. There is a possibility we could make our way back down as well and break that bottom trend line and dip even further. It just depends on the macro events, the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict. There's just a lot going on to make Bitcoin's price extremely volatile. So just keep that in mind. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on the 1 hour chart setup. There's a lot of news coming out about, the eventual setup of the Clarity Act. There's many things going on with that. Hopefully we can get a resolution soon. Same with the Middle Eastern conflict. Hopefully there's resolutions to that. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. I do want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. As you can see on Bitcoin's 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is sort of trading in a similar pattern setup like on the 1 hour chart, the descending channel-like pattern. As you can see on this chart, Bitcoin on the bottom trend line has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 4 touch points. On that last 4th touch point on the bottom, Bitcoin is breaking out of that top trend line. We could continue to keep breaking out of that top trend line, boosting further up in price. We could dip back down, continuing to trade in that particular pattern, and dip even further. It just depends on the macro events, the economics of our world. Bitcoin is a very extremely volatile asset. Crypto is a very volatile asset class. There are rules and regulations, but they're still subject to change. It's still highly unregulated in certain regards, so just keep that in mind. None of this is financial advice. Always proceed with caution when you buy stuff like Bitcoin and other assets like Ethereum, etc., because of the price volatility, extremely volatile. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my chart analysis for the 1 hour and 4 hour chart setup. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a good rest of your day.